Today I'm reviewing the White Noise rechargeable sleep machine. It's for babies, infants, kids, adults. Can be for the home, office, or any way you want it. It's a nice little machine. It is my hand, so you can see how big it is, and it's quite lightweight. Got little feet there. And here in the front is the on-off. And then you can have the different sounds. Here's the first one. Oh, sorry, here's the lullaby that I had it on first time. I love the lullaby, that's my favourite. Then we have rain. We have ocean. We have a clock ticking. I'm going to put it back to the lullaby because the lullaby is my favourite. And then on this side you have fast forward and go back. You also have a sound card, and you have the light. I can't put the light on now because obviously I have the light on in it and it's during the day, and it has the timer. And here you've got the 30 minutes, the 60 minutes and the 90 minutes. And whatever one you choose, that will come on for that length of time, and the light will come on if it's night time, and then once the sound goes off, the light will go off too. Really nice. I mean, it looks really neat. The sound is really good, and this is something that I could quite easily fall asleep to that lullaby. And you also have more buttons here for obviously volume and for back and forwards. So a very nice machine, and I'm going to get a lot of use out of it.